Hi guys, let's see how electrical connections established inside steering wheel. This device, the spiral cable or clock spring, will help us to transfer electrical switch functions of horn, steering switches like music control and the airbag. Let's see how does clock spring will work. The clock spring will rotate same rotation as the rotation of steering wheel. The spirals inside the clock spring will help to transfer electrical connection along with the rotation. These spirals are capable withstanding the rotation of steering. This clock spring contains two coupler sockets and one connector. This is the input socket from steering wheel side and the yellow wire is the airbag connection line. This is the output socket that connected to vehicle wiring connections. This clock spring contains a total of 5 rotation, which mean it can rotate 2.5 turns to the clockwise direction from middle and 2.5 turns to anti-clockwise direction. This is its rotation looks like. Whenever you remove clock spring from steering wheel, keep in mind that over-rotate it beyond its limited turns. This will lead to damage to the spiral inside the clock spring. The number of turns will be indicated on warning label. When you reinstall the clock spring, always turn the steering to the middle position, otherwise the clock spring will damage due to over-rotation. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for watching more videos like this.